Good evening and welcome back. In spite of interspecific competition in nature, which mechanism the competing species might have evolved for their survival? So let's go through each and every option first. First one, predation. Predation, one is harmed, the other one is benefited. So survival of both is not possible. So these are some of the examples given in NCERT. You should by heart. Cactus is the prey, predator is moth. Aquatic snails, the predator is starfish, pisaster. And for pest, we have biocontrol agent. Example is fungus trichoderma and baculoviruses. Second one, resource partitioning. Here the example is warblers. These are songbirds and they have evolved a system to coexist by changing their behavior in their foraging activities. Foraging is search of food. So this particular observation was done by MacArthur. Now, important point to notice here is both Darwin and Gauss, they both believed in the fact that there is always competition and the competitively inferior species will always be eventually eliminated from the system. But this example of warbler is an excellent example that the species learn to partition the resource and change their behavior in order to coexist. So resource partitioning is the actual answer of this question. Let's check other option also. Competitive release. The example is Cornell's experiment in which superior barnacle Balanus, it eliminated the smaller barnacle Cathamalus. And last one, mutualism. In mutualism also, the two species, they evolve for the survival, but important point to note is they are not competing. They both get benefited. These are the important examples: lichens, mycorrhiza, and pollination related, fig and wasp relation. So coming back to this question, in spite of interspecific competition in nature, which mechanism the competing species might have evolved for their survival? Answer is resource partitioning.